Wenvia is a simple ingredient, handcrafted, natural skincare and home fragrance products, ranging from products of soaps and lotions, facial serums, candles, room sprays. It is a healthier alternative to what you would find at your commercial store. And we just hope that the ingredients that's put into the products and the love that's put into crafting the products is well received. The reason why I got into this business, take ourselves back 10 plus years ago. I was pregnant with my daughter and I wanted to start her life off as clean as possible. And so at the time, of course, I gravitated to organically made products, using that for a period of time, but it wasn't the most economical choice for me. And so I just thought about making my own products for her, from soaps to lotions and balms. So we had our soaps, we had our lotions. I started to venture into some sugar scrubs, which are seasonal, because as you know, in Orlando, the summer is no joke. So shipping items like sugar scrubs isn't the most ideal, so I had those as seasonal items. And then I started venturing into home fragrances. I knew it was a great complementary product to skincare. So I started to really, again, research into natural, clean burning candles and wax melts, and then eventually transition into room sprays. So I think the one thing about living in Orlando is the fact that it's known as one of the best destination areas, which draws a lot of diverse people to the city. I love the fact that Visit Orlando has built into their strategy in supporting local vendors, local makers, even minority-owned and women-owned businesses. I'm so grateful.